Hello, everyone. This is our Dating Laser's latest 8-meter wire feed integrated handheld welding machine. Let's take a look at its impressive exterior. Let's talk about its components: host machine, optical fiber, and the wire feeder. So much said. What is the difference between it and ordinary standard machine? What are the advantages? Eagle-eyed friends may have spotted it. This device is missing a tail, the wire feeder. It is not that there is no wire feeder, but that the structure is split. The feed reel is installed on the main machine. The wire feed assembly and the main control board follow the fiber. This is just one more shell and one less big shell. What is the purpose of this? Let's see what it looks like with all the fiber out. We can see it when we unfold it. The length of the wire feed tube is the same as that of the optical fiber. There's a box on wheels to help pull the fiber. Less effort. Here comes the big one. It can weld 8 meters without holding. Because our conventional handheld wire feeding tube is very difficult to feed wire when it is 5 meters long. So there will be a lot of customer complaints that the wire is too short. It is extremely inconvenient to carry such a heavy wire feeder. It can be solved perfectly, this problem. So a friend asks again, what to do when welding small parts? Optical fiber all put out of space, and another is not convenient to weld. Don't worry about that at all. Here, let's take a look at the cover of the device. There's a retainer here, specially designed to hold the wire feed assembly box. In this way, you can completely put the excess fiber after the disc. Place wire feed assembly box. Welding is performed on the operating table next to the equipment. If it feels inconvenient to put it on the cabinet, can be installed on the workbench. Welding is also no problem. Are you excited about this product?